Hello students, it's Nazia Begum here, welcoming you all in today's class. So today we are going to discuss chapter 13, that is sobriquets and their places. Okay, so here on the left hand side you are having the name of some cities, okay, and they are not the original name. On the right hand side the original names of cities are there, okay, and on the left hand side there are the name of that cities or countries uh, for which they are famous. Okay, like first one, it is written city of the golden temple. So where is golden temple situated? It is in Amritsar. So the answer is W, Amritsar. For second, spice garden of India. So in India, from where we are getting more number of spices, large number of spices, so that place is Kerala. Third, pink city. Pink city we call it to Jaipur. Okay, in Jaipur many houses, so many houses are painted pink, and that's why it is called pink city. Then granary of South India. Granary of South India is Thanjavur. Then garden city of India. Garden city of India is Bangalore. In Bangalore so many gardens are there, that's why it is named so. Then sixth is Queen of the Arabian Sea. So Kochi. Kochi is called Queen of the Arabian Sea. World's bread basket. World's bread basket is Paris of North America. Then eighth, sugar bowl of the world. It's Brazil. Ninth, land of cakes. It's Scotland. 10th, island of cloves. It's Zanzibar. 11th, Holy Land. It's Palestine. As we have already discussed that Palestine is a very important place for all the three Abrahamic religion, Jewish, Christian as well as Muslims, and it is called Holy Land. 12th, land of morning calm. It is Korea. Then 13, land of windmills. It is Holland. 14, land of maple leaf. It's Canada. Okay, in the flag of Canada, on the flag of Canada you can see the picture of maple leaf. 15th, the Big Apple. It is New York City. Land of thunderbolt. It is Bhutan. Land of white elephant. It is Thailand. Land of thousand lakes. It is Finland. Land of rising sun. Japan. Land of the midnight sun. It is Norway. Okay. Then 21st, land of the golden pagoda. It is there in Myanmar. Okay, some call it pagoda, some pagoda, so you call it according to your. Okay, land of the kangaroo, it's Australia, and land of the hummingbird, it's Trinidad. So these are the these are the lands famous for some particular things. Now let's move to next chapter, 31, important international years. So here I am going to uh, tell you what is the important year for a particular thing. Okay, so we have to choose the correct year, and with the international year I will tell you the correct answer. So first one, international education year, 1970. International year of chemistry, 1985. International women's year, 1975. International children's year, 1979. International year of elderly, 1999. International Years of Oceans 1998, International Year of Indigenous Languages 2019, International Year of the Periodic Table of Chemical Elements 2019, International Space Year 1992, International Year of Literacy 1990, International Year of Peace 1986, International Year of Rice 2004, International Year of Communication 1983, International Year of Tourism 1967, International Year of Sports and Physical Education 2005, International Years of Pulses 2016, International Year of Freshwater 2003, International Year of Volunteers 2001. Okay, and one important note is there that since 1959 the UN, United Nations, has been initiating international years to draw world attention towards important global issues, and for that purpose only some years are given some important titles. After that we move to chapter 32, eminent personalities in world. Okay, so here we are going to discuss about some eminent personalities. Okay, and here I am going to read their name with the question. First, an Indian ornithologist known as the Birdman of India, winner of several international honors, Salim Ali. First Asian to win Nobel Prize, a writer of National Anthem of India and Bangladesh, Ravindranath Tagore. Indian jurist and social reformer, he was the chairman of the Constitution Drafting Committee, B.R. Ambedkar. He became the president of the Indian National Congress in 1940, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. A Parsi industrialist and philanthropist, he is also known as the father of Indian industry, Jamshedji Tata. American business executive who serves as chairman and chief software architect of Microsoft Corporation in the United States, Bill Gates. The blind man to scale Mount Everest along with 18 other climbers. He has authored a book, A Blind Man's Journey to Climb Further Than the Eye Can See. Eric Wingmeier. Okay. Then the embryologist at the Rosin Institute in Scotland is the laboratory father of Dolly the sheep, history's first cloned adult mammal, Ian Wilmot. Ninth, second member of the United House of Representatives to fly in space. He was assisted in an experiment during the mission on the Space Shuttle Columbia, Bill Nelson. 10th, he is a world-renowned astronomer from India. He won the Padma Vibhushan 2004, Jayant Narlikar. 11th, he is a Scotsman from Belfast who precluded the Dunlop version of pneumatic tires, J.B. Dunlop. 12th, she is a literature. She won the Padma Vibhushana in 2004, Amrita Pritam. 13. He is a great mathematician and the father of modern geometry. His theorems are compiled in a book titled Elements, Euclid. 18. He is an American library pioneer and the originator of the Dewey Decimal System, Melvin Dewey. 15. An inspiration and nation building person, author of Guiding Souls, Inspiring Thoughts, Mission India, Ignite Minds, Wings of Fire, The Life Tree, and many more. Dr. Abdul Kalam. Then, chapter 13, National Flowers. Okay, so national flowers of some countries are given, we have to match them. So, here I have written the correct answer in front of each and every flower. So first one is lotus and it is the national flower of India. Okay, so now one by one I am going to tell you the name of flower and the country from where they belong, means of which they are the national flower. Second, thistle, Scotland. Third, tulip, Turkey. Fourth, lavender, Portugal. Fifth, cornflower, Germany. Sixth, jasmine, Pakistan. Seventh, dahlia, Mexico. Eighth, golden wattle, Australia. Ninth, hibiscus, Malaysia. 10th, cherry blossom, Japan. 11th, water lily, Bangladesh. 12th, shamrock, its leaf, Ireland. Then there are pictures of some flowers which we have to identify, and we also have to tell the name of the country whose national flowers they are. So first one is there in front of you, it is Dahlia, Mexico. Okay, so with the name of flower I am going to read the name of country as well. Okay, whose national flowers they are. Second, blue cornflower, Estonia. Third, hibiscus, Malaysia. Fourth, or D, Acacia, Australia. E, jasmine, Pakistan. F, lotus, India. G, thistle, Scotland. H, tulip, Holland. Then chapter 34 is very interesting as it is named as Explorers and Travelers. So here we are going to know about so many explorers who have explored so many places and things, and also about the travelers. So first, an Italian explorer who sailed across the Atlantic in 1492. He made many trips to South America during 1492 to 1504. Amerigo Vespucci. Okay, some called him as Vespucci also. Okay, Vespucci it is. 12th, an Italian traveler who went across Asia through China starting from 1271. It's Marco Polo. Third, the Viking explorer was the first European to sail to Greenland in 982, Eric the Red. Fourth, a Chinese Buddhist monk is known for his 17 years long trip to India, Huensang. Fifth, a Greek explorer and geographer who visited India and later became a Syrian ambassador to an Indian court, Megasthenes. Sixth, the first recorded exploration was made by an Egyptian sailor around 2750 BC, Hanu. Seventh, an Italian explorer who mapped some of the eastern coast of South Africa. He was also the first to realize that America was separate from Asia, Christopher Columbus. Eighth, a Portuguese sailor who was the first to go around Africa's Cape of Good Hope in 1489, Bartholomew Diaz. Ninth, a Portuguese explorer discovered an ocean route from Portugal to India in 1497 to 1499, Vasco da Gama. 10th, a Portuguese explorer, led the first sailing expedition around the globe in run on 1519 to 22. Magellan, 8th, a British sailor, went around the world mapping Australia, Antarctica, and Arctic regions. Captain James Cook, 12th, British missionary, explored the interiors of Africa from 1853. He was the first European to see the famous Victoria Falls. David Livingstone. Then we have the last chapter for today, mythology. So here I am going to ask some question to you and also giving you the answer. Okay. First, if Sita was Rama's wife, who was Lakshman's wife? Answer is Urmila. Second, name the son of Arjun who was killed in the Chakravyuh in the Mahabharat war. Abhimanyu. Third, who was Mandodari? Ravan's wife. Fourth, which bird tried to stop Ravan from taking away Sita? Jatayu. Fifth, who is the god of water in Hindu mythology? Varun. Sixth, who is the Greek goddess of love and beauty? Aphrodite. 7. Who is the Greek god for music, light and healing? Apollo. 8. Who is the sun god in Greek mythology? Helios. 9th, a giant who revolted against Zeus and was punished to carry the world upon his shoulder. Atlas. 10th, who is the Roman god who is a messenger? Mercury. 11th, a mythical bird which sets fire to its own nest. Phoenix. 12th, who is the king of all Greek mythology? Zeus. 13th, who is the sun goddess of Japan? Amaterasu. Okay, Amaterasu. 14th, a dash is made up of air or fire and is mischievous. It's Jinn. 15. A capital city in western India named after Amba Devi, another name of goddess Durga. Mumbai. So this is it for today's class. See you in next class. Till then, goodbye. Take care, do some productive work, and the most important thing, be healthy, be safe.